In this video, we're going to be looking at the open interest histograms for the indices, the Nifty, the Bank Nifty, and the Fin Nifty. The histograms provides a very good visualization tool to see where the open interest of the market is stacked up. So to get to this chart, you move to the left of the menu and you come down, you get the NF option strike OI Viz charts, that's open interest visualization charts. You get it for the Bank Nifty, you get it for the Fin Nifty also. So I'm for the Nifty right now. The screen on your screens right now, you'll see the Nifty, and you have a choice of expiries to make over here, the current weekly as well as the next one and the date. Now this drop down, you get the plot type, and under plot type you have the open interest picture for the instrument at the close of the session, and it's going to update you real time, and it's going to give you the timing as well. So this is the picture as of right now when the chart is open to you. So under plot type, if I go down and I choose OI change split, if I choose OI change split, so if I choose OI change split, I get to see what is been the change from the open price from 9:15 a.m. when the markets opened. I get to see all of that. Now the CE open interest of the day is in green, the PE open interest is in red, and you can see that the histogram shows that on this particular session the call open interest reduced during the day, right? You get to see the OI change split, you get to see the difference between the call and the put OI. So you'll get to see here as a visual graph which of the two is more heavier, the OI difference between calls and puts where they are stacked up more. You get to see the straddle OI. So this particular screen will now tell you that within all these strikes, the market chose to write a lot of pairs or straddles at this particular strike, which is currently about 18,800 right now. So this is the one which was chosen to write a lot of straddles out of, right? And you get the volume split, which tells you the strikes at which the maximum volume traded for that particular session. So 18,900 call and about 18,800 put were the ones which were traded the maximum today, and they attracted the maximum volume. So this gives you a fair sense of the liquidity of the market as well. And as you go away from the price, at the white bar over here is the LTP or the last traded price, and it's going to move dynamically across the screen. But as you move away, you can make out that the volume is dipping on either side, telling you that the major concentration is always at the money or near the money strikes. And then you got an option to see the OI pain value at any point in time during the session also. So it tells you where the market is expecting the maximum pain to be, the pain value, and you also get to see the implied volatility of all strikes. So implied volatility also, okay, is always the inverted smile, not always, most of the time. And it tells you, okay, a fairly well settled market, okay, when you see an IV graph like this. So most of the out of the money ones, okay, would have higher IV, but the chances of going over there are remote. So we are looking, okay, for a structure like this. Now, the best way, okay, you can use that is you can draw up a chart like this. And just to illustrate, okay, I've opened up another variation of the options chart. And what I've done is I've got the OI split on the left hand side of my screen, and I got the OI change split on the right side of my screen. Now what this will tell me real time is this against this prevailing open interest, what is the change which is happening during the day. So if I keep a screen like this, it immediately tells me, okay, what is the change which is happening. So again, okay, this particular session, the call open interest was reducing, and you can make out, okay, that the put open interest was rising, okay, as we moved away from the price, okay, onto the lower side. Again, you can change this to straddle. So against the open interest built up, okay, you come to know, okay, that yes, okay, the market is building, okay, strongly at 18,800 today. You can do OI split on the left and volume split on the right. So it will tell you, okay, where the volume is moving across the option chain. Or okay, you can just, okay, plot the IVs against the OI split. So you would get to know the change in IV. So this is a very convenient way of looking at the chain. You can, okay, draw up, okay, this as a multi-window setup, and you can have a look at change this way. So this is a simple OI histogram chart, and you get this from the menu items NF option strike wise OI with charts.